how to turn off or disable a bubble conversation notification on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. So here you can see when I receive a text, it will show as a bubble conversation. Now there are a number of things that you could do. You can choose to not bubble this conversation and turn off show as pop-up. Or so if I switch this off, you can see here when I send myself a text, I just receive notification from the status bar, but I will not get the pop-up notifications. And here if I switch it on, you can see it shows the chat head or the pop-up bubble conversation. And here if you tap on set this as not a conversation, that will completely remove that bubbles as a conversation. And now we're going back to text again. So in here, if I go back into messages, then we go just simply go back into text. So a text message. So you can see from now on, it will simply just show as a pop-up notification instead of a bubble conversation. So that is how you can switch it off. Finally, you can tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.